Namaskar, welcome back to my channel AstroAid. Recently I spoke about the COVID pandemic and its relevance with the astrology in Hindi. After that I have received numerous calls and emails requesting to make it in English and other languages, like especially from the Bangladesh in the Bangla. So I am here. I kept telling people from last year, 2019, those who are coming to me for the consultation, that about something very fatal may be going to happen in 2020, sort of some calamity or something, some epidemic may happen. Now coming to the point, that on 29th of October 19, Saturn, Jupiter and Ketu was moving in Sagittarius, and this combination is really very deadly and it is liable for famine, food, fire and somewhat war-like situations. And we have observed the same in the form of California wildfire, Australia bushfire, European floods and war-like situation in lot of places like Chile, Hong Kong and India over the CAA protest. So this is something. And however, on 29th of December 19, Sun and Mercury also joined the trial in the planet Sagittarius, and it enhanced the problem. And this was the time when we found or we come to know about the COVID-19. But from 5th of May, that is 10 days ago, Saturn started moving in reverse direction, which is we call Vakri, in the Capricorn, planet Capricorn, which is its own planet. And this combination proved fatal and there was huge casualty noticed. From 14th of May, Jupiter will move in its reverse direction in the planet Capricorn. And this may give some solace. Things may start little bit ease and things will go little comfortable comparatively and people could relax a little bit. In this situation, things are moving little bit better, but this situation is not going for a long time. On 15th of July, when the Jupiter will again go to the Sagittarius, where Ketu is already sitting, and this will make the same combination which was during the December. So it will make things worse further, and the second round of epidemic may erupt and it may take various different forms of this disease, and it may be challenging times to the world. However, this will be the peak time for the pandemic, and everything is going to be really haywire. All protections, all precautions will be really on its toes. It will be facing a very tough time. On 5th of August, Saturn will move to the Sagittarius again, where the Jupiter and Ketu is already positioned. And this will again be the same deadly combination, which will create challenges during this period. But the situation will not stay for long, as on 3rd of September, Ketu will move from Sagittarius to Scorpio. And this will start to ease. During this time, the humanity will also find some immunity or develop some immunity, and some vaccine may be found or some cure may be found magically. and certainly it will start subsiding. On 15th of September, Jupiter will moving forward, which was initially moving in reverse direction until now. So things may get better from here on. On 28th September, Saturn will also follow the suit, and it will start moving forward instead of it is moving in a reverse direction up till now. This will enhance the condition for the betterment significantly, and this shall be starting of the end of this pandemic. This pandemic has taught us many things in various ways, especially how to coexist with nature. So it's important to realize its worth and stay calm, because staying calm is the key to the success. No panic. Trust me, things are going for much betterment, and few countries are emerging like victorious, like India, Australia, and couple of other countries is going to win this war. I guarantee it. And please, please, don't spoil this world again. You will not get this type of clean air, this type of clean sky, and this type of clean rivers and jungles. So trust me that you have to coexist with the nature. Nature is everything. Nature is mighty. All animals, those who are moving freely, give them space. Take care of your neighbors, those who are less privileged than you. I think this will be the key to the success in the world. And certainly, India is going to be the Vishwa Guru, and one Guru is outside of us, India already. Thank you very much. And any question you have, you can feel free to ask me. No charges, no money, it's all free. So keep looking at my channel, Astro Aid, and God bless you all. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
परमात्मा सबका कल्याण करे।